In today's video, I will walk you through how to create or set up PayPal account. To begin, go to the PayPal homepage. Once you are on the main page, decide whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. If you plan to buy goods and services online, transfer funds between friends and family, or connect payment methods for personal use, select the personal account option. If you plan to sell goods and services or accept donations, choose the business account option instead. After choosing the account type you want, click on Sign Up for Free to continue. On the next page, enter your legal first name and legal last name. Then type in the email address you want connected to your PayPal account. After that, create a password for the account and confirm the password in the required field. Once all the information is entered, click Next. You will then move to another page where you need to enter your personal address information. Type in your address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. After entering the required information, review the available agreements and policies shown on the screen. Once finished, check the box to confirm, and then click Agree and Create Account. After the account is created, you will be taken to a page where you can choose to link a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Select the payment method you want to connect to the account. If you decide to link a debit card or credit card, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. The billing address section may already be filled in using the address information entered earlier in the setup process. If the billing address is different, update it in the available field. Once all the payment information is entered correctly, click Link Card to continue. After the card is successfully linked, you should see a confirmation screen showing that the payment method was connected successfully. From there, continue by clicking Go to your account to access your newly created PayPal account page. At this point, the PayPal account setup process is complete, and the account will be ready to use for sending money, shopping online, and managing connected payment methods. The process mainly involves selecting the account type, entering your personal information, agreeing to the required terms, and linking a payment method to complete the setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you successfully create and set up your PayPal account.